Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to move or how to add your hidden applications back into your home screen on iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and you can see now I only have this application on my home screen and the rest of my application is hidden. And how to add several hidden applications on my home screen, it's just so simple. Slide your home screen into the left side until you found this app library, and after that you just need to find which application that you want to add into your home screen. Let's say I would like to add this classroom into my home screen, so you just need to go click the specific applications that you want to add into your home screen, and after that have a little bit movement until this application is automatically moved into your home screen. And now you can just adjusting the location or the position of the application. Just need to drag into the specific part, and after that go into the blank space and you're done. So that's the way how to add or how to move your hidden application into your home screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.